And namaskar to all of you. Hopefully, all are good and doing great in your life. Sometimes these things happen with us that we struggle to find a balance between the material and the spiritual aspects of our life. It's like kind of extreme, like when we kind of extreme, like we kind of doing extreme spiritualism, and when we are material, like kind of extreme materialism. So it is very much important to find the right kind of balance between the material and the spiritual aspects of life, because both is very needed. Because if you neglect the spiritual aspects of life, you will be very incomplete inside, and if you neglect the material aspect of life, because this is very much important for our survival also. So what we need to do, we find a right kind of balance. What I find that these things can be solved and find a balance, because if you have a sense that, if you have a that only that sense that you only do what is needed to do right now, like Sadhguru say, if we do what is needed to do, most important as kind of present priority and present importance, then this is solve our problem. And another thing is, what I find it is working in my life, that is like do and forget method. Like you do something and just let it lost in the world and just forget about it, so it will do what it's needed to do and it will find its own way. So just do and forget, do and forget, like you are doing something, just do and forget it, not being entangled with it, or not being all the time kind of consistently going in your mind. So do and forget is one kind of thing. And another kind of thing is, if you absolutely involved what you are doing, this is also kind of solve the problem. Because if we are involved, then by that process, focus and concentration, these things also come. And if we kind of constantly detaching what we are doing, and after that again what next thing we are doing, absolutely involved with that, and do and forget and detach, then I think this is also solve the problem. This will help to kind of balance what is needed to do. And one thing we must remind that it is better not kind of suffering in illusion. Instead of that, what we find that what is needed to do right now to progress, what can contribute in our growth, taking small step. So this is very much important, taking small step, do and forget, being absolutely involved with whatever we are doing, that I think this can solve the problem. So thank you so very much. These things I just randomly came in my mind, so I thought why I not sharing with you. So that's it. Thank you so very much for watching. Love you all. Namaskar.